Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to export single frame and take screenshots in CapCut full tutorial. So if you want to go ahead and export a single frame and take a screenshot on your CapCut, then you're onto the right guide. So as you can see, we're currently onto the editor already. So you'll just need to go ahead and import the video that you want to take a screenshot. So for example, I have the video already imported in here and added already onto my timeline. Now you'll just need to go ahead and hover in here to choose in a part where you want to go ahead and take a screenshot. So for example, I want to take a screenshot onto this part of the video. So you'll just have to go ahead and hover this line over in here. So you need to drag them and place them onto the part where you want to go ahead and take the screenshot. Right after that, just click onto the three lines onto the upper part of the screen and export still frames. So you could go ahead and add a name onto your screenshot for that. You could also choose the path where you want to save this. You could go ahead and choose the resolution for that, its format, and you could also choose to import the project for this one. Just click on to export to go ahead and finish that. And that is just basically it, how you export single frame and take screenshots in CapCut full tutorial. And if you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on to our next video.